This is Algebra 1 area method video for homework, and we have 3 box questions and 1 extension. So first we have to learn how to read tiles, area tiles, because if you don't know how to read them, you won't know how to use them. So an area tile is basically a tile with a certain amount of area in it. So first we have area of 1 and 1, this little one right here. This would be area equals 1. The next one, we have x times 1, which would be area equals x. And then the next one is, these are the dimensions, x times x. So the whole thing would be area equals x squared. And we would have to use these to multiply and multiply the binomials. So for this box number 2, we have an example where we're using the area method. Now we're going to multiply using the area method. So we're going to multiply x plus 2 times x plus 1. So in order to do that, we have to draw the tiles first. So for this one, we would have to draw one x tile and 2 little ones, giving you this is x, this is 1 and 1, keep making it x plus 2. Now if we go up here and we go, this is x and 1 for x plus 1, giving you x plus 1 here. Now we can draw the x times x would give us x squared. X times 1 would give us x. 1 times x would give us another x. 1 times 1 would give us 1. 1 times x would give us x. And 1 times 1 would give us 1. So now we have to combine everything. So that would be x squared plus 3x plus 2, which would be, if you multiply this out, this would give you the answer. Okay, now we're going on to box number 3, which is a you try. So you're going to try to multiply using the area method like I did in the previous problem. You're going to use x plus 3 times x plus 2. So try it right now. So like we did already in the other problems, we would have to draw it first. So we would have to draw an x, a 1, a 1, and a 1. Now we would draw an x over here, and a 2, which would be 1 and 1. So the way we would do this would be, we would see that x times x would give us x squared. X times 1 would give us an x. X times 1 again would give us an x. 1 times x would give us an x. 1 times 1 would give us a 1. 1 times 1 would give us a 1. X times 1 would give us an x. 1 times x would give us an x. It's the same thing. And then again, we would go 1 times 1, 1 times 1, 1 times 1, 1 times 1. So when we combine this, it would be x squared, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's, and we have 6. That would be the answer. All right, we are going on to the 4th box, which would be the extension. And this one is one where you have to think about it. So how can we use algebra tiles to multiply x minus 2 times x plus 3? So we have to basically think about how it is different here than the other problems, and how do you think this will impact our method. So think about it, and we will talk about it in class.